Hi students, it's Mrs. Nice. Welcome to week 2 of phase 2 for remote learning. So this week it's the full week, so you will see more assignments posted on the agenda. The agenda is linked to Google Classroom, and so I trust that you could read that and see what to do. As always, if you have any questions, be sure to email me, and I would highly recommend that you look at the assignments at the beginning of the week and email me during my Tuesday office hours, which are from 10 to 11:30, so that I can answer your questions. Also, your parents received an email from Mr. Law this morning, and he explained how everything's being graded. Pretty much for our class, it's staying the same, except I'm going to start a new fourth quarter grade book, but you will see that I will still enter in scores as a 3, a 2, a 1, or a missing. So not much different there. It's the only thing that's different is that it's a fourth quarter grade book. Lastly, your door question this week is if you could have any animal as a pet, what animal would you choose to have as a pet? My answer is a dog. I know that's not like an unusual animal or anything, but I just really, really want a dog. So go ahead and post your answer to the door question in Google Classroom where I've posted the question. That counts as your attendance for the week. Have a great week. And of course, if you have any questions, please email me. Bye.